Next. Hoy, may bago tayong nag-audition. Okay. Okay. So, anong name mo?
My name is David.
David?
David Copperfield. Genia.
So magician ka.
Yes, I'm a magician.
Okay. So, sinasabi mo, ikaw yung best magician, tama ba?
Mga naman kulit, Calvin, kasi I'm doing an audition here, okay? Okay.
Yun
Okay.
Yung kausap mo.
Oh, I have a friend. His name is Calvin. You know? Kung makulit, putya ka, di mo na napaka, ha?
Ayan ba yung magic mo?
No. That's my imaginary friend.
Okay.
Go there. I'll give you 1,500. There, stay there.
Oh, okay. O, game na. So, ikaw yung best magician, sabi mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So, prove it.
Okay. Machine does. Tissue here. Tissue.
Oh.
Alright, man. Alright.
Anong ginawa ng hype na yun? Tangin. Anong ginawa nito?
See that here?
Anong ginawa yun?
I don't know.
Kalokohan. Oh, sige nga. Isa pa.
What do you need?
Ano pa isa pang magic?
See. There's one here on the left. One here on my right. Okay? Gonna transfer here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. See?
Gago, kahit ako kaya kong gawin yun.
Okay. You want one more?
Kaya kong gawin yun eh. Pinagloloko mo ako eh. Hindi ka magician eh.
One more.
Oh, sige, isa pa. Pag hindi ako nabilib dito, papaalisin kita sa guard, ha?
Okay, go.
Okay.
I'll disappear, okay? Close your eyes.
Okay, close ko na yung
Close your
eyes.
eyes. Seconds.
Oh, sige.
Yeah?
Ayan,
3
oh.
seconds.
Ayan, oh.
1, 2,
3. Ulit, jag. Oh, okay. Anong isang magic?
I have another trick. One last trick.
Oh, sige.
I'm gonna disappear
Oh,
within 3 seconds.
okay.
Close your eyes.
Wait lang. Close ko eyes ko.
Close your eyes, mate.
Close ko eyes ko, ha?
Close
Okay,
your eyes.
wait lang. Bilang 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Buksan ko na yung mata ko, ha? Sino yung hype na yun? Puta, nawala. Nasaan na yung gagong yun? Ay, tinakasan lang ako, ah.